Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to discuss on most important machine learning libraries. The, the following libraries are widely used ones, which are NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scipy, and Scikit-Learn. Now we are going to learn about what are these libraries and how can we use it to solve a problem. So first NumPy. NumPy is a Python library created by Travis Oliphant in the year of 2005. It is mainly used to work with ND arrays, which is nothing but n-dimensional arrays. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transformer, and matrices. It mainly aims to provide an array object that is up to 50 times faster than traditional Python lists. NumPy, the name itself knows that is a numerical Python. It mainly used to perform a vast number of mathematical operations. To install it in your local PC, open your command prompt and write this command pip install NumPy. What is command? Pip install NumPy. But if you want to work with it in Jupyter or else any IDE, you have to import it using import NumPy as np. Okay. Now Pandas. It is one of the most important library. It is widely used in data science. It was first developed by Wes McKinney in the year of 2008. It is mainly used for data manipulation like describing the data or else filling the missing values or any kind of problem. And it also used to analyze the data. In Pandas, we have two main data structures that we can explore. The first one is a data frame and the second one is a series. So what is the difference between two? It's nothing but a data frame is a two-dimensional array that contains both rows and column index, whereas a series is a one-dimensional array of values with an index. To install it in your local PC, it's just same like as we did in NumPy. Just use pip install pandas. To import, if you can simply use import pandas as pd. This pd or else this np, you can assume whatever you want. We just use these names for simplicity. Okay, for more info you can check out this link. After that we are going to discuss about Scipy. It is also known as scientific Python library. It is created by Travis Oliphant, who created NumPy as well, and this Scipy library initially released around 2001. The most important thing here is it is built on top of NumPy. The main difference between Scipy and NumPy is Scipy is a fully featured version of linear algebra, while NumPy contains only a few features. You know, most new data science features are available in Scipy rather than NumPy. So Scipy is also one of the most important and widely used libraries. To install it, you can use pip install Scipy, and to import, just write import Scipy as sp. Next, Matplotlib. As of now, we discussed on libraries which are used to analyze the data numerically. Now, we are going to see visualization libraries that are used to visualize the data. So, this Matplotlib is Python library that is widely used to visualize the data. It is created by John Hunter in the year of 2002. It is built on top of NumPy and Scipy. This matplotlib.py is a collection of functions that make Matplotlib work like MATLAB. Each pyplot function used to make some change to a figure. Like take an example like creates a figure, creates plotting area and figure, or else plot some lines in a plotting area and so on. You can use whatever you want. Next, to install it, open your command prompt and use this command line pip install matplotlib. To import it, as usual, you can use import matplotlib.py as plt. Next, Seaborn. Seaborn is also a data visualization library. It is built on top of Matplotlib. It is created by Michael Vascom. This Seaborn is closely integrated with Pandas data structures in Python. It is widely used in exploring and understanding the data by visualizing. Like you can also use it for block plots, like to find out outliers, and then it also supports high level abstractions for multiple grids. This Seaborn is also used to visualize univariate and bivariate distributions. To install it, use pip install Seaborn, and to import it, just like we did it with other libraries, import Seaborn as SNS. If you want to know more about Seaborn, you can verify this link, or else you can also refer the Seaborn official documentation. Okay. And finally, a Scikit-Learn. In short, you can call it as sklearn. It was initially developed by David Cornopo as a Google Summer of Code project in the year 2007. Later in 2010, INRIA. It is also known as National Institute of Research in Computer Science and Automation. In short, it is INRIA. This is a French national research institution mainly focused on computer science and applied mathematics. So in 2010, INRA got involved and this Scikit-Learn publicly released in late January 2010. It is also built on top of NumPy, Scipy, and Matplotlib. Further, it is simple and efficient tools for predictive data analysis. This Scikit-Learn library contains vast number of models that are used to solve regression or else classification problems and so on. To import models from sklearn, this is the syntax. From sklearn dot family name, import a model which you want. For example, take an example. To import linear regression, you can simply call from sklearn dot linear model, import linear regression. So here linear model is a family and linear regression is the model. Okay. For more info, you can refer this link. All these libraries are accessible to everybody and reusable in various contexts. And these are all open source libraries. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you got everything. If you get any doubts, you can get me back anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.